Hello dear students, we will continue our same topic, trigonometric functions. Today we are going to see the problems related to Euler's formula and half angle formula. Say what is Euler's formula? Area of triangle ABC is under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and half angle formula are there. Here s is the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. S is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. From this we can write 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Half angle formula sin a by 2 under root s minus b, s minus c upon bc. Cos a by 2 is here, sin a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2, cos c by 2. From this we can write tan a by 2, tan b by 2, tan c by 2 by using this formula. Okay, this formula are without proof for this year, but problems are related to this we have to see. इससे रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है आज वही प्रॉब्लम्स हम देखेंगे. आई हैव रिटन वन प्रॉब्लम हियर. नाउ सी इन ट्रायंगल ABC, if A equal to 18, B equal to 24, C equal to 30, then find the values of 6 sub questions are there. First, find cos A. We can find cos A by using cosine rule. Then find sin A by 2. We can find sin A by 2 by using this formula. Then find cos A by 2 by using this formula. Tan A by 2 we can find sin A by 2 upon cos A by 2. Then we have to find area of triangle ABC. Use Euler's formula, that is under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. And the last one is sin A. For half angle we can use the formula sin A equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Okay, now the first one, cos A is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. 2bc from cosine. Okay, now substitute the values. What is b? 24 square plus c 30 square minus a 18 square upon 2 into b. B is 24 and c is 30. This can be written as 24 square is 576, 30 square is 900, 18 square is 320 upon 24 into 3, 30 into 60, 60 into 24, 24 into 60, 1440. Okay, this 576, 900 plus 576 is 1476 minus 324. It is 115. Take the subtraction. 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 2 5, 4 minus 3 1, 1152. 1152 upon 1440. Now here we can divide by this, divide by 2 or 4. Now see, if we divide by 7, 2 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are. Now divide by 8, 8 9s are 72, 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16. Again you can divide by, it is divisible by 4, but it is not divisible by 4, so divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, it is 45. You can divide by 9. So it is 4 upon 5. The value of cos A is 4 upon 5. Second, you have to find the value of sin A by 2. Sin A by 2. Sin A by 2. See the formula. Sin A by 2 is s minus b, s minus c upon bc. Okay. S minus b, s minus c upon bc. But s is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. What is s? Take the addition. 18 plus 24 plus 30 upon 2. So this S can be written as 8 plus 4, 12. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 72 upon 2, it is 36. So S is equal to 36. We can write this 36 minus B. B is equal to 24. S 36, C is 30. Upon BC, B is 24 and C is 30. Now simplify this. 36 minus 24 is 12 into 6 upon 24 into 30. Now simplify this. 12 2s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 3 10s are 30. So it is root 1 upon 10. So we can write 1 upon root 10. So value of sine A by 2 is 1 upon root 10. Now next value we have to find cos A by 2. Third question. Cos A by 2. See the half angle formula. Cos A by 2 is under root S into S minus A upon BC. Okay, this can be written as S is 36. 36 S minus A, 36 minus 18 upon BC. B is 24 and C is 30. Simplify this. 36 into 18 upon 24 into 30. So this can be written as 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. This can be 3 10s are 30, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. It is root 9 upon 5. So this we can write 3 upon root 5. Sorry, 2 is here, 3 upon root 10. Okay, next question is, fourth question we have to find tan A by 2. इसके लिए फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे tan थीटा इक्वल टू sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा. So tan A by 2 we can write sin A by 2 upon cos A by 2. Sin A by 2 upon cos A by 2. Sin A by 2 is 1 upon root 10 and cos A by 2 is 3 upon root 10. So the root 10 will cancel. It is 1 upon 3. Tan A by 2 is 1 upon 3. Next question is area of triangle ABC under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S? S is equal to 36. S minus A, 36 minus 18, that is 18. S minus B, 36 minus 24, that is 12. And 36 minus 30 is 6. Now we can simplify this. 36 we can write 6 into 6. This is 6 into 3. This is 3 into 4. 3 into 4, or otherwise you can write 6 into 2. 6 into 2 into 6. Now take the square root. 6, 6. 6 into 6 into 6. 6. This 6, remaining 6. So it is 36 into 6, 260. 36 into 6 is 260. So it is 216. Square root is 216. Last question is remaining. We can find the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to, now see the sixth one, sin A equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos a by 2. Okay, substitute the value of sin a by 2 and cos a by 2 here and then find the value of sin. Okay, this is for you. Now we take the next term. ओके, ये आपको करना है, वैल्यू पुट करना है इसमें sin a by 2 और cos a by 2 का और सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो sin a का वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा। मैं सॉल्व नहीं करता हूँ, आप सॉल्व करो इसको बाय यूजिंग दिस हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला। ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक द नेक्स्ट टर्म इन ट्रायंगल ABC, प्रूव दैट इन ट्रायंगल ABC प्रूव दैट sin a by 2 into sin b by 2, sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 equal to area of triangle ABC whole square, area of triangle ABC whole square upon ABCS. ABCS. Now here S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now take LHS. What is LHS? Sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2. Now substitute the value of sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2 from the half angle formula. यही formula आपको use करना है. What is sin a by 2? Sin a by 2 is under root s minus b s minus c, s minus b s minus c upon bc into sin b by 2, that is under root s minus a s minus c upon AC into sin c by 2 under root this formula, you can change it now, this formula is wrong, s minus a s minus b upon a, s minus a s minus b upon a. Okay, now simplify this is equal to, take in the single square root, this is s minus b s minus c s minus a s minus c s minus a s minus b. Okay, divided by BC into AC into AB. Okay, now simplify this is equal to, now see s minus a, this is s minus a whole square, s minus b into s minus b into s minus b whole square into s minus c into s minus c, that is s minus c whole square upon bc into ac into ab, a into a square, b into b square, c into c square, that is a square b square c square. But we have to prove that area of triangle ABC whole square. What is the formula for area of triangle ABC whole square? Under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. But s is not there, so multiply and divide by s square. Now this becomes s square into s minus a whole square, s minus b whole square, s minus c whole square. डिनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर s स्क्वायर. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को s स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ टेक द स्क्वायर रूट. इसके एस स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा एस, इसका स्क्वायर रूट आएगा एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी, इसका स्क्वायर रूट आएगा ए बी सी एस. Area of triangle ABC is under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. From this we can write area of triangle ABC square, because there is a square root. यहाँ पे square root है, इसलिए square divided by ABCS, and that is our right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS, hence the proof. Okay, now we will take one more sum. Any problem regarding to this? Okay, now we will continue the next one. Okay, next is also related to this half angle formula. By using half angle formula, we have to prove it. Okay, in triangle ABC, prove that b plus c minus a, b plus c minus a into tan a by 2 equal to c plus a minus b into tan b by 2, c plus a minus b into tan b by 2 is equal to a plus b minus c into tan c by 2. A plus b minus c into tan c by 2. Okay, it means here we have to show that a equal to b equal to c. Okay, ये तीनों आपको प्रूव करना है, इस तीनों का वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए. Okay, तीनों का वैल्यू सेम आएगा, then we can say that all these are equal. Okay, the first term is b plus c minus a into tan a by 2. Okay, we know that a plus b plus c equal to 2s. A plus b minus c. Now see this one is equal to, this we can write a plus b plus c minus a minus a. क्या क्या इसमें a ऐड किया, a सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, a ऐड किया, a सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. a plus b plus c equal to 2s minus 2a into tan a by 2. Okay, tan a by 2 means sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. So tan a by 2 can be written as s minus b s minus c upon s into s minus a. क्या किया, tan a by 2 means sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. A BC cancel. We will get s minus b into s minus c upon s into s minus a. Okay, this can be written as, take 2 common, s minus a under root s minus b s minus c. Okay, here multiply and divide by s minus a. S minus a से multiply किया, s minus a, s से भी multiply करो तो same आएगा, multiply by s into s minus a, s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon s square into s minus a whole square. Okay, this becomes, now we can take the square root, 2 into s minus a. This is the value of area of triangle ABC. So this is area of triangle ABC divided by s square का square root s, s minus a whole square का square root s minus a. S minus a get cancelled. It is 2 into area of triangle ABC upon s. Say this equation 1. Similarly, take the second term. Now c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b into tan b by 2. ओके, सेम एडजस्टमेंट एज लाइक हियर, यहाँ पे b ऐड करो, b सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, तो ये होगा a प्लस b प्लस c माइनस 2b इंटू tan b by 2 is equal to, that is 2s minus 2b, a plus b plus c equal to 2s minus 2b is equal to tan b by 2. What is tan b by 2? Sin b by 2 upon cos b by 2. That is s minus a, s minus c upon cos b by 2, s into s minus b. Okay, now from this we can write, take two common, s minus b. Now here multiply and divide by s into s minus b. Okay, this can be written as s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c upon, this can be written as okay, now this can be written as s into s square into s minus b whole square. Okay, now here s into s square, we have क्या किया हमने, s into s minus b से मल्टीप्लाई किया, न्यूमरेटर को भी और डिनोमिनेटर को भी, तो ये वैल्यू हुआ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी, ये इसकी वैल्यू है, इसका स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे 2 into s minus b, ये वैल्यू है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, एस स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट है s और s माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट है s माइनस बी, s माइनस बी कैंसिल होगा, क्या रिमेनिंग है 2 into एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी अपॉन s. Say this equation 2. Now see, RHS of 1 and 2 is same. Similarly, we have to show that its RHS must be equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC. A is remaining here. ABC divided by S. Now, the last term is A plus B minus C into tan C by 2. So this can be written as a plus b plus c minus 2c into tan c by 2. So a plus b plus c equal to 2s. So it is 2s minus 2c into tan c by 2. Tan c by 2 means sin c by 2 upon cos c by 2. a b कैंसिल होगा, तो रहेगा क्या, अंडर रूट s minus a, s minus b, s minus a, s minus b अपॉन s into s minus c. तो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर आपको क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है, s into s minus c. तो यहाँ पे लीजिए 2 कॉमन, तो ब्रैकेट में आएगा s minus c into s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. इसको s से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो s स्क्वायर होगा, इसको s माइनस c से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो s माइनस c होल स्क्वायर होगा. ओके, ये न्यूमरेटर वैल्यू है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी और डिनोमिनेटर का लेंगे स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, 2 into s माइनस c, ये हुआ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी अपॉन s स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट s, s माइनस c होल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट s माइनस c. ओके, s माइनस c कैंसिल होगा, क्या रहेगा 2 into एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी अपॉन s. से इक्वेशन 3. इक्वेशन 1, 2 एंड 3 तीनों का RHS क्या है. ओके, फ्रॉम 1 to 3, from 1, 2 and 3 we can write b plus c minus a into tan a by 2 is equal to c plus a minus b into tan b by 2 is equal to a plus b minus c a plus b minus c into tan c by 2. Okay, we have proved this from equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in the next lecture we will take inverse trigonometric function, the problem based on ITF, inverse trigonometric function. Any doubt regarding this? Okay, I think it is very simple. You understand? Okay, see you.